Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering Solutions. In this video, we will start our lecture series in fluid mechanics, the subject which have more relationship with our day-to-day life. In this lecture series, we include the following topics which cover the entire syllabus of fluid mechanics. What is a fluid? Properties of fluid. Fluid statics, fluid kinematics, fluid dynamics, laminar flow, boundary layer theory, and dimension analysis. Of course, the subject fluid mechanics have the significant amount of weightage in GATE as well as other competitive exams. Okay, let's start now. What is a fluid? By definition, fluid is a substance which deforms continuously under the action of shear stress. Or in other words, anything which will flow is considered as fluid. For example, liquids and gases. In simple words, fluid is a substance which does not have a specific shape. It will gain the shape of a vessel which carries that fluid. For simplification, we can compare fluids with solids. When the shear stress is applied for a solid, one-time deformation occurs. But in case of fluids, continuous deformation will occur. Solids may regain its original shape after removal of that shear stress. But in fluids, it does not deform to original shape. Here in solids, shear stress is directly proportional to shear strain. But in case of fluids, shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain. Now we are looking to the continuum concept, which defines fluid is a continuous substance without any empty spaces or voids. In simple words, we cannot take a single molecule of a fluid for studies. So we will take a bulk amount of fluid and treat it as a continuous substance. The continuum concept is valid only when the distance between two molecules will be very small as compared to the size of the object with which the fluid is intersecting. This assumption is validated by Knudsen number, which is defined as the ratio of mean free path to the characteristic length. So, Knudsen number is as small as possible to validate continuum concept. That is, Kn will be less than 0.01 or mean free path lambda will be much lesser than characteristic length L. This is all about fluids. There are many things to study in this small topic also. But in exam point of view, there will be less number of questions will ask in this portion. So we will conclude the introduction to fluid mechanics by this. In next lecture, we will start properties of fluid and solve some previous year questions. As I told earlier, please do subscribe and share this channel to those who need it and enjoy the magic of mechanical engineering. Thank you.